Tornado Watch 355 in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center has issued this tornado watch for the following northeastern Pennsylvania counties: Bradford, Lackawanna, Luzerne, Pike, Sullivan, Susquehanna, Wayne, and Wyoming. A tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for tornadic development. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Golf ball-sized hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes are the main threats in the watch area. All residents in the watch area should be prepared for these conditions, and stay tuned to local media, outlets or NOAA weather radio for further updates on this situation.